I am now going to show how to add the AI Mentor as an LTI component in a Blackboard course. I'm here in a Blackboard course and I want to add this mentor here in resources. So I'm going to create a new content item here, create, and I'm going to choose teaching tools with LTI connection. Here I'm going to have to add a URL that I have saved here that was provided for my AI mentor. I'm going to add it here where it says URL, paste there. I am going to give it a name for my course. I called it Engcomp AI, and I'm going to choose open in a new window. I am going to add a short description here to make it more friendly. This is a description I have previously saved as text. So let me copy it and paste it here. Okay, now I'm going to click on save. And there it is. Let's remember to make it visible to students. And now it's already added to this folder that I created called resources. If I click on that link, it opens as an LTI component right there. I thought I chose open in a new window. I guess it works this way too, but I thought it was a little bit more usable if I click open in a new window. Let's do that instead. Either way, it's up to you what you prefer. And here it opens in a new browser window. And here is my friendly AI assistant for the course. And that's it. Easy enough to add as an LTI component to a Blackboard course. Yes, and one more thing. If you are not using Blackboard Ultra and you have the older interface, then this is how you add the component via LTI. Here I have an unused course. I'm just going to use it for this demo. I'm going to go to Build Content and choose Web Link. And there I can put the name of the AI mentor that I want. I will put the URL there in this field, the URL that was provided by our vendors for this tool. Click on this button here to say that this is a tool provider. This is going to be what selects it as an LTI integration. And I also have a description in this case. I'm going to paste the description here and I click submit and add that now to the course as an LTI component via the web link. So now if I click here, it launches inside my course and here is the AI assistant ready to help you. That's for the case when you don't have Blackboard Ultra and you have the old interface of Blackboard. Still works. Thanks.